Thank you for choosing the Longevity Fence Systems full vinyl privacy gate. This gate system was designed to be easy to install and features the same quality and durability you've come to expect from our gates and fences. Today, we will be installing a 4-foot wide by 6-foot tall vinyl privacy gate that has already been assembled. Start by gathering the tools you'll need to complete the installation. A drill with a 3/32 inch drill bit and a number 3 Phillips head screw bit. A 3/4 inch open-end wrench, measuring tape, a marking pen, and 2 2-inch wood blocks. Unpack the Bohr Bell gate hinge kit that comes with your privacy gate. The package includes the hinges and hinge covers. A latch plate and gate stop are also included with the kit. Latches are sold separately. Longevity Fence Systems full vinyl privacy gates are designed to swing inward or outward. Start by marking the pilot holes at the top and bottom of one gate upright where the reinforced pockets are located. Hinges must be attached at these pockets so the screws have enough material to hold securely. Use the self-tapping screws to attach the hinges to the gate upright. Use 2-inch blocks as spacers to hold the gate in place while mounting the hinges to the fence post. Attach the hinges to the fence post using the screws provided. Adjust the gate hinges as needed to create an even space between the gate upright and the post. Remove the spacer blocks and check the gate swing to be sure you have proper spacing between the gate uprights and fence posts. Attach the hinge covers and check the gate swing to be sure the covers are aligned properly. Next, mount the gate stop approximately 3 feet from the bottom of the gate. Mount the gate handle at the desired height on the non-hinge side of the gate. Finish by mounting the latch at the desired height. Learn more by visiting us at www.longevityfencesystems.com.